This is the third part of objective question about Indus Valley civilization. Question number 1. Lothal is located at. Lothal is located at. Answer is C. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Question number 2. Lothal is situated on the banks of the which river? Lothal, which is a Indus site of Gujarat, located on the banks of the which river? Answer C. Bhogba river. Lothal was a dockyard or port of civilization. Question number 3. Besides Mohenjo-daro, which site is also called Mound of Dead? There is another site which is also known as Mound of Dead. Answer is D. Lothal. Question number 4. Who explored Kalibanga in 1953? Who explored Kalibanga in 1953? Answer is B. Amlanand Ghosh. Kalibanga, a famous site of Indus civilization of Rajasthan, explored or discovered by Amlanand Ghosh or A. Ghosh. Question number 5. Excavation work was started in Kalibanga by whom? Answer is A. B.B. Lal, Brijwasi Lal. B.K. Thapar stands for Bal Krishna Thapar. Question number 6. Kalibanga is located at. Kalibanga, a site of Indus civilization, is located at which states or district? Answer A. Hanumangarh district, Rajasthan. Question number 7. Kalibanga was situated on the banks of which river? Answer is A. Ghaggar river. Question number 8. On what basis this name is given to Kalibanga? Why the Kalibanga is known as Kalibanga? Because of evidence of black bangles are found in great amount. Answer C. Because of black bangles evidence, the site is known as Kalibanga. Question number 9. Who explored Chanhu-Daro in 1931? Who explored Chanhu-Daro in 1931? Chanhu-Daro is a site of Indus civilization. Answer A. M.G. Majumdar. Question number 10. Chanhu-Daro is located at. Chanhu-Daro, a famous industrial site of Indus civilization, was located at. Answer B. Sindh province, Pakistan. Question number 11. Chanhu-Daro is situated on the banks of which river? Answer B. On the banks of Indus river. Question number 12. Dholavira explored in 1966-67 by. Dholavira, a site of Indus civilization in Gujarat, explored in first 1966-67 by answer D. Jagpati Joshi. Question number 13. Excavation work of Dholavira in 1990-91 completed by excavation work of Dholavira. Answer B. R.S. Bist. R.S. Bist full name is Ravindra Singh Bist. Question number 14. Dholavira is located at. Dholavira, where is located at? Answer D. Kutch, Gujarat state. Question number 15. Dholavira literally means. What is the literal meaning of Dholavira? Answer is B. White whales. Question number 16. Kot Diji was explored in 1935 by Kot Diji, a Indus site located in the present Pakistan, explored by 1935. Answer A. M.S. Ghuriye. Question number 17. Excavation work of Kot Diji in 1955-57 started by. Answer B. Fazal Ahmad Khan. Question number 18. Kot Diji is situated on the banks of which river? Answer A. Indus River. Question number 19. Banavali site, which was explored in 1973, located at. Banavali, a famous site of Indus civilization, is located at. Answer A. Hisar district, Haryana. Question number 20. Banavali site is situated on the banks of which river? Answer A. Saraswati river or ancient Saraswati river, which is not prevailing in the present time. Question number 21. Sorth Ghui and Mundigak sites are located at. Sorth Ghui and Mundigak, also famous site of Indus civilization, are located. Answer B. Afghanistan. These sites have asked in so many exams, so both are important as examination point of view. Question number 22. Match the followings. Indus sites. There are 4 Indus sites mentioned as ABCD, and there are 4 rivers, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to match Indus site located at banks of the which river? Answer is C. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 sites are matched with respective rivers. Question number 23. Which metal is not found in Indus Valley civilization? There is metal. Till the present time, no evidences are found. Answer is C. Iron. Although the Indus civilization is known as bronze civilization because they make bronze by mixing of copper and tin metals, and silver was the metal which was first used in Indus civilization? Question number 24. The silver metal was used in daily life by first time. Answer is C. Harappan civilization. There are so many evidences of silver metal which was used in socio-economic life of Indus Valley civilization, while Sumer civilization and Chinese civilization were the contemporary to Harappan civilization, and the Vedic civilization is later civilization. Question number 25. The cultivation of cotton was first introduced in which duration? Cultivation of cotton. Answer is A. Harappan civilization. Cotton, which was cultivated in first time in the Harappa civilization, and the cotton industries, so many craft and industrial sector was completely developed. Question number 26. Remains of which animal are found in the Indus civilization, but there is no evidence of its use in economic life? Answer is C. Horse. Horse. The evidence are found in Surkotda and Lothal sites of Gujarat and also Sutkamgedor, Pakistan. But till the present time we have no certain information how to use horse in economic and social life of civilization. Question number 27. The residents of the Harappan civilization were not aware of which animal and its use in their life? Very important question which have been asked so many exams. Answer is D. Cow. Cow, which is an important and economic animal in the present life, but there is no evidence about cow or its use in Indus civilization. Question number 28. Which of the following evidence is not found in the Indus civilization? There are 4 options. Which evidence is not found till the present time in Indus civilization? Answer is D. Temple. There is no evidence of temple. Without temple, the religious life of Indus civilization was possible. Question number 29. What are the sources of Indus civilization? Important question. What are the sources about the information of Indus civilization are? Answer is A. Archaeological sources only. There are no literary source or foreign accounts. So, our information and description is probably and very limited about the civilization due to lack of the additional sources like literary and the foreign accounts. Question number 30. Rangpur, Desalpur and Pravas Patan are the main Indus sites in which states? Answer is B. Gujarat. All 3 important sites are found in Gujarat. Okay, thanks. In the next part, we will present the additional questions